Welcome back to Small Bee Acres. Today we're going to just show you a little bit of what I do during the day. I not only am a full-time farmer, I'm also a full-time electrician. But it's fuller time electrician than farming because I do that more. So here we go, let's get started. Okay, I'm all suited up. So that's how the day starts, except my coffee. I have misplaced my coffee. Oh well, I'll find it somewhere. Okay.
Hey guys, safety first, in case somebody missed me the first time. Can you see me now? And that's not enough yet. Wait, there's more.
In the course of a day, I do all kinds of things. I go up on the lift, go up and down. I should maybe show you. Want to see? Let's go. Let's go for a ride. Here we go. So, you hear a lot of this all day. But you know what they say, right? This job has its ups and downs. You'll get it later.
So when Jake says pulling conduit, this is what he means. These silver pipes running all the way up along a building. And then once you run those pipes inside there, you pull wire through them.
After you run all the conduit, then you have to pull some wires through it. So we're going to get it all set up. Get ready to pull some wire. more than one occasion that an electrician does not know how to push a broom. So just for the record, and just so that everybody knows, this electrician knows how to lean on a broom. I mean, push a broom. One thing I love about what I do is I get to work with my sweetie. This is my other half, the other partner to my business, and I couldn't do it without her. I love working with her both here and at the farm. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoy working with this lady, but till next time, God bless. He's so bright. I should be wearing shades.
So bright. It's ridiculous. Still recording.
No?